Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of Cost of Goods for WooCommerce, Profitability Reports and Analytics. In this video, I will show you how to access and understand profitability reports using the WooCommerce Cost of Goods plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Reports. Now click on the Profit tab. Under the Profit tab, you will find different types of reports. These reports help you analyze your store's profitability. Let's explore them one by one. The Profit by Date report shows net sales, total cost, total profit, and average profit per order. You can view data for a specific time period, like last year, last month, this month, 7 days, or you can also enter your custom dates. Now click on Profit by Product. The Profit by Product report shows the profitability of individual products. You can see net sales, total cost, and total profit for each product. To view the reports, select the product from the search bar. The report will show you data for the selected product. You can also see the most profitable and least profitable products in the widgets below. Now click on Profit by Category. The Profit by Category report shows the total profit for each category. It includes child categories as well. Select a category to view profit data and click on the Show button. Now, it will show the total profit in the selected category. Now, let's look at Product Valuation and Total Valuation reports. Now, click on Product Valuation. The Product Valuation report shows inventory value at retail price and cost. Now click on Total Valuation. The Total Valuation provides the overall value of all inventory in your store. At Cost shows the total value of inventory based on the cost of goods. At Retail displays the total value of inventory at retail or sale price. Finally, you can export these reports for further analysis. Click on the Export CSV button. This will download the report as a CSV file. And that's it. In this video, we explored profitability reports, analyzed product and category profit, and learned how to export reports. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.